Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Today, I want to talk about the ordinary Mandelic Acid 10% plus HA, which is Mandelic Acid, 10% Mandelic Acid plus Hyaluronic Acid. Mandelic acid is a form of alpha hydroxy acid. And alpha hydroxy acids are what you call chemical acids and used to help exfoliate your skin. Alpha hydroxy acids really work to remove the top layer of dead skin cells on your skin. So to give you that smooth appearance, and it also helps those who have wrinkles and fine lines or suffering from skin pigmentation, because what it does is as it removes that top layer of dead skin cells that is dry and crusty and texturized, it encourages your cells to create brand new cells and therefore give you that glowy, clear, smooth skin look. And mandelic acid has got the largest molecule of all the alpha hydroxy acids out there. And mandelic acid is derived from bitter almonds. I'm just going to show you what this product is like. I'm just going to drop a few drops on my hand. Yeah, it's very oil. I call this oily. Yeah, has got a very thin, watery, oily texture. Yeah, with the mandelic acid, I'm not a fan of this product, unfortunately. I really like the lactic acid, both in the 5 and 10%. I'll link the videos down below that I have done. But this mandelic acid, personally, there are two things that I didn't like about it. Number one, it is a bit more oily. Yeah, I just feel that it's just sitting on my skin and it's quite sticky. It's just got this very sticky texture. It makes my skin feels sticky. And number two, it really didn't do much in the form of exfoliation. Yeah, even though this is from the ordinary, this is 10%. I do not see as much of an exfoliation compared to the lactic acid. But I guess for those who are first-time users of alpha hydroxy acids or chemical peel, this is possibly a good start because it is quite mild. But somebody like me who is quite a seasoned user of alpha hydroxy acid, I do find the mandelic acid, this one here by The Ordinary, is just on the weaker side. So it is a product that I won't repurchase again. But the lactic acid 10%, I have repurchased quite a few times. Yeah, so I dislike it so much that I end up using it on my arms and legs. And even then, it is quite uncomfortable on my arms and legs. It's just got that very sticky nature. So yeah, I'm just not a big fan of this product. So the price of this is $14.75. And all the ordinary products are available here at the Farmers Department store here in New Zealand. Yeah, they've got the full range of all the ordinary products. So, I mean, for $14.75, which is well under $20 for 30 mils chemical peel or alpha hydroxy acid peel, is darn cheap, really is. So, I mean, if you're first-time users, this is a good one to start with. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.